Que pasa, raza? That's right, we're doing another video. And I hit my 100 subscribers. So if you're one of my 17 visible subscribers, we'll go through that here in a minute. I will give you a print. Leave it down in my email and I'll get back to you. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks everybody for watching. And I appreciate all of you and bless you. Thank you for letting me hit this milestone. We're going for that 1,000. So like, subscribe, and share. Here we go. We're going to do a little gardening update. So a lot of things have been going on. I'm in a lot of pain. My back is kind of going out, so we'll see what's going on with that. But a lot of growth. Some milkweed. And these are good for the monarch butterflies. Got some sunflowers there. We got some strawberries going on. So we've had rain for the whole month of March, which is not normal. Look at that. Beautiful. Nothing beats breakfast out in the yard. You know? Oh man. He ain't gonna last very long. Oh yeah, buddy. And see? We have some more flowering. So as you can see, they're spreading. They're flowering. They're doing what they need to do. Mums, snapdragons, wild grass, onions, Oshayina, part of the celery family. If you look right here, XL came and dug it up because we had a gas leak from a lightning strike that hit the tree. 45 years this tree's been here. It's like a brother to me. I remember riding the bike, missing the tree and hitting the phone post. So I planted pumpkins right here. And we'll see if that takes off. Hopefully it does. You know? So there's our snapdragons. That's right. We got a lot growing. That rain is good for some things and some things it's not. Them are gladiolas. The grass loves water, so of course we're gonna do good right there. And we want our butterflies. So I wanted to give you another look at this milkweed. Look at that milkweed, guys. And I had my wheelies and waffles this morning. And if you guys don't know what that is, that's one of my subscribers. And she has her own YouTube channel. You guys got to check her out. She's awesome. I learned a lot from her. I appreciate her videos. I subscribe to a lot of people. Look at the little basil plants. So we're going to try to line those up. We're going to try to transplant those. Rosemary. And this is where I get all the strawberries. I had a 6-pack that started all this. All these carnations are starting to come now. Be beautiful to get the carnations going. And look at that asparagus. I planted that last year, so we're kind of letting it go. There's a ladybug right there trying to take a nap. And say, why are you bothering me? Because I can. Yes, ladybugs are one of the beneficial insects, and I got them all over in here. Look at my peas, nutrient fixer, peona, catnip, rosemary. That's right. We tried to make a living border, a living wall. So we got the comfrey going over here. We got some mustards. I don't know if you guys know, I planted this peach tree right before all the rain. Put strawberries underneath because that's how they do it in the wild. We want to mimic how they do it in the wild. It causes a natural blanket. Ground cover they call it. We have some cosmos going. Everything is slow growth with all that water this whole month and a half. There goes that apple tree. I told you guys I ran over with the lawnmower. We got some sage right there. And the mushrooms are always good. They're like the membrane that transfers. The microorganisms will transfer it all to the other plants and use it as nutrients. We're going to check out these 17 visual subscribers real quick. Just call me Annie. Whales and waffles. I can't, sorry, I don't want to butcher your name. I can't read that. Latif Brown, Eric Terrace, Jennifer Wilson, R&R, Maria, Valencia Gonzalez, Barcina, Wynn Tate, Samantha Martinez. Let's go to the next one. I can't read that one. Rex, aka Two-Legged Stray. Oh, there's only 12 visual subscribers. So I know you're my subscriber. I'll give you a print, which I have buffalo. I mean, I shouldn't say what I have. I have an animal print, which is like a poster size. I think they're 12 by 18. And so let's start over. There's animal, there's landscape, and then there's lowrider cars. So if you'd like one of those prints and you're one of my visual subscribers, hit me up in my email down in my bio, and I'll get one of those out to you guys. And I appreciate everybody for subscribing. 101 subscribers. I enjoy it. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go over to the cucumbers. Oh, look at this mint. It's only doubled in size. Mint likes water. So much rain going on. We got some tomato right here. Sunflower. And look at this cucumber. This is by seed. Everything I've done this year is by seed. I don't have a lot of money. And I save seed every year. And I also buy seed. So, lettuce. More cucumbers. We got a little baby trellis here for the tomatoes and the cucumbers. The lettuce I had from last year, and I just waved it around like a wand, and the seed spread, and there you go. And these tomatoes came from last year. some cabbage. And this is that compost bin that I got from Uncle Jim's worm farm. And as you can see, I just throw the food in there. And if I go like this, look at all those worms in there. Look at that. Thanks, Uncle Jim. He's the man. The man of the hour. And this is like the best to plant in. I mean, just look at that soil. That growing medium. Beautiful. More comfrey. It's a nutrient fixer. If you don't have this, you better get it. And then I got another pepper. Look at the flight to the bumblebee. She's doing her job. That's right. The process right there. Beautiful. Thank you, mamas. I appreciate all your hard work. And if you guys didn't know, you guys gotta have mint plants. That's why I have mint. Because if a bee is sick, it goes to the mint plant. And it heals itself. They love it. And I'll let her do her work. Some more sunflowers. So that's my raised bed area. And as you can see, things are just coming along. And I like mint to spread. I love everything that spreads. I mean, it just grows and grows and grows. And you don't got to invest a lot of money. Now, I made these little ditches because I read in the book this is what the peppers like. I kind of overgrew the peppers. They're not doing so well. You know, I'm still learning. This is all from seed. I mean, I can actually go buy some that are already giving peppers, but I'm trying to learn. In the learning process, you're going to fail. I heard a nice story about Albert Einstein did 9 times 1 all the way up to 10, and he made a mistake on the 10th one and everybody blew up. And he said it was really a social experiment. You know, nobody congratulated me on the first 9 wins, but the first fail everybody jumped on. And I think we feel bad because of that. So don't feel bad about failing. Just get out there and do it. This is celery. Some more peppers. And these peppers I kind of got into the dirt a little early. And I mean, we're just getting there. We're going. We're going. Tomato. We have that tower of power there, you know. I got this at Home Depot, like 40 bucks. Really got it for my daughter. And I'm trying to show her how you use it. So. And that's basil. It's one of the ones I transplanted from over there. Tomatoes, peppers, tomatoes. Now here's one of our water tanks. We're going to try to get fish going so we can do some aquaponics. But everything takes time. And I want to talk about companion planting real quick. You see that guy right there? That's a marigold. I know we got a lot of work to do here, but little by little. We'll weed out this guy, weed out that guy, and then all that's left is that marigold growing. And marigolds attract the beneficial insects. And like I said, this is like having breakfast all day long. You just come out here and you eat breakfast. Can't beat it. More peppers. Today we're gonna go get some squash seed. We got the beans already growing. Bean, corn, and there's some more beans growing in there. They're all over in there. So we're gonna get squash, and that's called the Three Sisters, and we're just trying it out. I mean, like I said, this is the first year of YouTube. 6 months, 101 subscribers. You know, I appreciate all you guys. Thank you. Look at the butterfly now. Let's see if I can zoom in on that guy. Let's see if he allows me. They say they're our ancestors. And my grandma used to have these on a magnet on her fridge all the time, the orange ones. Yeah. Showing us that wing. Too bad that sun's catching it. But yeah, there she goes. Look at that. Oh, show me. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wish I was in picture mode. See, these are the pictures I try to take, and then I'll put them on that print, the 16x7, like a little poster, you know. And it's a thick one. And it's a beautiful picture that I'm going to give you guys. So, hit me up in my email. Anybody watching this, hit me up in my email and we can talk. Normally goes for $60, those prints, but since I'm feeling in a good mood, and if you watch this, send me your info. We'll see what we can work on. There you go. There's a potato. There's some potatoes right there. These are tomatoes right here. And I'm telling you, we're going to get this aquaponics going. We got the koi over there, the chicken coop. A lot of work to be done. I don't like to show it. A lot of work. Let's keep going. I mean, you know, all I do is just throw seeds. Now these are all, look at these cosmos that are growing. I can't say that the name of that red plant, but if it flowers, it gives me a lot of seeds, and the chickens eat it, just like the comfrey. I mean, it's free food here. Can't beat it. See, I'm telling you, the beans are growing. The beans are growing with the corn. So yeah, we got beans growing with the corn there. Some kale, cabbage, grapevine, mustards. I don't know if you can see that mustard. I had it on super zoom. And we've been weeding this out. We eating radishes, we eating mustards. These are carrots that are growing in here. Some onions. And we got it going. We got it going on. Just keep growing. This is our long-term compost bin. This will take a long time to break down, but we'll keep on irrigating it. We'll keep on moving it as fast as we can. Mustards. That's right. So, if you're watching this, hit up my email. I'll send you out a print. And I appreciate everybody and bless everybody. I just want to say, ¿Qué pasa, raza?